Tired of juggling a million tools just to keep your agency afloat? Then stick around, because in the next minute and a half, we're diving deep into Vendasta, the agency platform promising to be your all-in-one solution. We'll explore if it's really the key to scaling your business and finally getting some peace of mind. First up, let's talk features. Vendasta boasts a wide array of tools. We're talking lead generation to reel in new clients, a full-fledged CRM to manage those relationships, and powerful marketing automation to streamline your campaigns. Their lead generation tool helps you identify potential clients in your target market, pulling key information so your sales team isn't starting from scratch. Think local SEO audits, website scans, and more. The CRM keeps all your client interactions organized, track emails, calls, tasks, and deal progress all in one place. No more digging through endless email chains. Marketing automation lets you build complex workflows to nurture leads and keep clients engaged. Think automated email sequences, social media scheduling, and reporting, all designed to save you time and boost results. And don't forget reputation management. Vendasta allows you to monitor online reviews, respond to feedback, and proactively build a positive online presence for your clients. This is huge for local businesses. Now, let's talk pricing. Vendasta operates on a tiered pricing model, and it can get complex. So do your research, consider the features you actually need, and factor in the cost of additional modules as you scale. It's crucial to estimate your ROI before committing. So, is Vendasta worth it? The platform's biggest strength is its comprehensiveness. It truly aims to be an all-in-one solution. However, that can also be its weakness. The sheer number of features can be overwhelming, and mastering them all takes time and effort. Ultimately, Vendasta can be a powerful tool for agencies looking to scale, but before you jump in, carefully assess your needs, compare pricing plans, and make sure it aligns with your business goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on scaling your agency.